Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your remote controlled key of your Mercedes-Benz Actros MP4. First step, you are able to open the entire glass with your key. The only thing you have to do is push the open button and hold it. Then you can see the automatic opening function will have a comfort function to open your windows easily. If you push again and hold, you are able to open the upper window in your cabin. The same thing you can close. Hold your close button until everything is closed. Yeah, that it is how to have a comfort way to open your window system on your Mercedes-Benz Actros. Let's go to the manual way. Switch the manual key out of the battery-controlled remote key body. Then you can push it into the key into the lock, of course, and then go and hold the open setup position, and you can see this is a comfort way to open all your windows instead. Oh, of course, your head, or you're opening the upper window too. So now the car is open manually. How to close it? The different direction. Push the key into the lock and then push the right thing. Oh yeah, and you can see all windows are going to back in position. Good job. That it is how to open your car. Easy, manual and remote way. Godlike, isn't it? I like it really much. Okay, let's head up to the interior. Here we are. If you're going to start the engine, first step is push the key into position, and then if you push once a time the start button, that will get the ignition on. But here you can see you can use it both direction. It doesn't make no other complication, etc. It doesn't mind upper or downside. Push it in position, job's done. To start the engine, you have to hold the start button for about, I think, 2 seconds, and then the engine will start immediately. If you pull out the key, the engine and the ignition will stop immediately working. Because of this, you have to get the key every time slotted into the ignition hub, and then the engine will start. Here we go, start again. Good job. And if we pull out the key, the engine will stop working immediately. So do not try this on the highway. If you have a little tilt position of the key, your Actros will get you some information about this. Here we are. Here you can see in the display, ignition key problem detected. But the engine is still running. In this case, only push the key back in position. Oh, job's done. But if you pull it out, the engine will stop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.